This is a concrete oxide pigment that you mix in with your dry concrete mix. We have many different oxide pigments, and each one of them is going to give you a different shade depending on how much of it you add to your mix. So 160, if we add half a pound for a 94-pound bag of cement, we're going to get Canyon. 4 pounds, we're going to get Brick Red. On the bottom of our page, we have a color chart where you can pick exactly which color you want. And a cool thing about the color packs is that you don't have to open them. You just throw them in and the bag dissolves inside of your concrete. Now also make sure to measure your pigment on cement weight, not total concrete weight. This is why we recommend making your own concrete with sand and cement instead of buying a pre-mixed bag. Usually the pre-mixed bags have 15% cement, but most pre-mixed manufacturers won't share this info with you. Our white pigment is ideal for lightening the shade of your gray concrete, but it's not ideal for a bright white colored concrete, because you'd have to add a lot of pigment, which would reduce the strength of your concrete. Instead, you could use a pre-mixed bag of white concrete, which is also available at Globmarble.com. Links to all of these are in the description.